I was thinking about the music for our routine.
Really?
We're gonna skate to one song only. Lady Humps by the Black Eyed Peas. What you gonna do with all that junk inside my trunk? I'm gonna get you drunk off my lady hump, my lovely lady hump.
I'm not skating to anything with references to lady humps. I don't even know what that means.
No one knows what it means, but it's provocative.
No, it's not. It's
Gets
gross.
the people going.
It's
No,
disgusting.
That's enough! Why do you guys keep doing that?
Coach!
Shut up!
Want some chicken?